Augmented Reality Around the World, Part 1. Smart contact lenses could be the newest addition to the AR fraternity. As per a news report by voanews.com, several startups, including InWith Corporation, are working towards designing smart contact lenses. Initial plans include overlaying a person's vision with digital data, such as distance, time, temperature, and more. Facebook all set to collaborate with Ray-Ban for smart glasses. In a recent update, Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg announced a collaboration in the making with Ray-Ban to produce their next hardware product, smart glasses. As per Zuckerberg, this will be another step towards producing full augmented reality glasses. Google launches Tensor, its first custom-built chip, hints at AR capabilities. The Tensor chip, launched by Google as a latest addition to its Pixel smartphones, could enhance the AR capabilities exhibited by handheld devices earlier. As per Rick Osterloh, Senior VP of Google Devices and Services, the Tensor chip could be instrumental in exploring and furthering AR features that can be accessed through smartphones. DC announces first ever AR Batman app. To the delight of kids globally, DC, in association with Warner Brothers, has announced the launch of the first ever augmented reality-driven app called the DC Batman Bat Tech Edition app. The app, which is available on iOS and Android, is aimed at children between the age of 6 and 12.